everyone. So I'm driving backwards. I'm trying to get out of my parking lot thing. But we're here in Shelley finally, and we are super excited. It's Dyno Day. I've been waiting for this forever since I actually had my old diesel. I've been waiting probably 4 years for this, so I'm like super excited. Here's Adrenaline, and I'm gonna try to put his Instagram handle in, but his twin LBZs here from Wyoming. That gold truck, it's sick. He's right here. I just saw him. Let's see if I can go slow, not be a creeper. There he is right there. Alright, starting to get ready. But yeah, we're here, and there's just a bunch of trucks here. Well, in the parking lot, but we're gonna go in and get registered and see what we have to do. So we're here. But yeah, I'm super excited. So holy crap, you can hear it already. Okay, we're here now, and we're gonna do some more stuff. So right now, we're getting close to my time. So right now I'm just gonna take out my air filter. You know, I'm obviously don't go anywhere, but yeah, we'll take it off, get some more power. These boys, ready to go. Let's get this. So real quick, I'm gonna insert this in the middle of it. It's kind of random, but so all of a sudden I get a text from one of my friends saying, hey, you won 4th place. they have stuff for you. And I'm like, no way, this is a joke. I'm like, whatever. And they're like, no, yeah, come down. And I'm like, holy crap. So yeah, it's not like, you know, the craziest, like, oh, I won first place, I got thousands of dollars. But to me, this is like, I've never actually, you know, won anything for a truck thing. Like, I got a trophy last time, but that's it. Like, I mean, but like, I honestly just wanted the paper saying what I got more than anything. And so I got a bunch of screwdrivers and yeah, and then like a Torx thing. But I mean, like, literally, I wasn't expecting anything, and I actually really needed this stuff because my stuff's getting used. I've had this toolkit for like years. And finally, I actually have a Torx little thing and actual nice screwdrivers. I mean, they're not the most expensive, but they obviously will work. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to show you real quick. I got 4th place. That's kind of crazy. Now back to the end of the video. So we're back from all the fun. It was awesome. You saw the last part of the video that I just showed. So yeah, just joking. I actually got 1,054 pounds of torque, foot-pounds of torque, whatever you want to say, and 569 horsepower. So 541, 569, so 28 more horses. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, yeah, but loved it. And my torque on here was 998, and I got over 1,000, which is a big goal I really wanted. I wanted this so much, and it's probably mostly just because of because it's a, you know, a more powerful motor. That's what I'm guessing. But man, just 40 more, like basically 30 more horsepower, and I'll be at 600. That's awesome. Oh man, I'm so excited. But that means only a little bit more. That means more parts, right? Obviously. So like, share, comment, and if you're a new subscriber, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. And yeah, it was just a great day, fun day. But yeah, thanks.